The purpose of this video is so that you can learn how to get the individual student reports for PALS. Let's take a look at PALS itself. Once you log into the system, you'll be greeted with the teacher homepage. You click on Reports and then Student Reports. This will give you all the options that are available to you. Notice on the left-hand side is the PALS Student Reports. This is for the English version of PALS. On the right-hand side is the PALS Espanol Student Reports. And they are generally the same. We're going to be looking at the Student Summary View All. What this will do is it will create a a PDF document that is an individual student's results, lined end to end, that will be able to be printed for distribution to families, or just for use in conferences or in separate meetings. This is the same Student Summary View All that can be found on the PALS Espanol side as well.